Alrighty, I am going to show you how to access your classwork. Okay, the first thing you want to do is log into the math class. When you log in, this is what you're going to see. You'll see this Mrs. Hill. You'll see my face here. And I also have this little welcome announcement. You can watch that later if you want. That's a little bit about me. So, to find your assignments, at the very top, you're going to click Content. Okay, this is the button that you're always going to click to find assignments. And it's loading. All right, what you want to do is you want to click the number 1, ordering fractions, decimals, and integers. Today is August 28th, and this is what you have due. Okay, 1.01 integers. Okay. You have 5 things: a tell, review, instruct, deepen, and exit ticket. It is not a lot. This should only take you about 30 minutes. Okay, it should not be a lot. You just want to click through each one and you want to go over it. Okay, today I am locating integers on a number line so that I can compare and order integers using a number line. I know that I've got it when I can order a set of integers on a number line, as well as from mathematical and real word context. That's it. That's all that is. Okay, so then you want to go back. Okay, so we just did the tell. Let's do the review. Look, it's an integer. It gives the definition and a picture. Okay, we're reviewing some other vocabulary and a whole number. That's it. That's all the review is, guys. All right, so I promise you, it is not a lot of work. It should take you less than 30 minutes. Please click through each one of these today. Instruct 1.01 and your exit ticket 1.01. If you have any questions on how to find your assignments, please reach out to me.